Eclipse is an open-source, extensible platform used for developing software. It's written in Java and can be customized to support various programming languages through plugins. While it is famous for being a Java IDE, it also supports languages like C, C++, PHP, and JavaScript. Here are some of the key features of Eclipse IDE. Extensible. The core platform can be extended with plugins to add new functionality and support for different programming languages, frameworks, and tools. Cross-platform. It runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Open source. It's free to use and modify, which has led to a large community of developers contributing plugins and extensions. Integrated Development Environment, IDE. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for software development, including a code editor, debugger, compiler, and build tools. Flexible. It can be customized to fit the needs of individual developers or teams. Overall, Eclipse IDE is a powerful and versatile platform that can be used for a wide range of software development tasks. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.